Hello everyone. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to publish news on Google News. First, open your browser and go to the Google Publisher Center. Sign in with the Google account linked to your website. Once you are signed in, click on the option to add a new publication. Enter your website's URL and the publication name. Choose the country where your content will be most relevant. Then select the primary language of your publication. Make sure all this information is correct. After entering these details, you need to verify that you own the website. Google uses Search Console for this verification. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification. Once your site is verified, you can configure the general settings. Add your contact information, including an email address where Google can reach you if necessary. Next, set up content sections. These are categories like world news, sports, or technology. You can add sections by providing RSS feeds or URLs from your website. Organize the sections clearly and make sure they are updated regularly. After the sections are ready, upload visuals. Add a square logo and a rectangular logo. These images represent your publication in Google News apps and search results. Finally, review all your details. When everything is complete, click the Publish button. Google will review your submission, which usually takes 1 to 3 weeks. Thanks for watching.